Dividing a whole number by a fraction using models. Part 2. Our learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to, number 1, use visual models to show the division of a whole number by a fraction. 2. Apply models to solve problems involving dividing a whole number by a fraction. 3. Use models to demonstrate and explain the division of a whole number by a fraction. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. The top number, or the numerator, tells us how many parts we have, and the bottom number, the denominator, tells us how many equal parts make up the whole. Imagine you have 2 yummy chocolate bars. This is the same as asking how many groups of 2/3 are in 2. This is a division problem. 2 divided by 2/3. Let's model 2 divided by 2/3. Step number 1. Draw 2 whole bars. Step number 2. Divide each whole bar into thirds. Step number 3. Now let's group the thirds. We need to find groups of 2/3. One, 2. First group of 2/3. 1, 2. The second group of 2/3. Another 1, 2. The third group of 2/3. There are 1, 2, and 3 groups of 2/3. We can share it with 3 friends. Another example. 4 divided by 4/5. How many groups of 4/5 are in 4? Step 1. Draw 4 whole rectangles. Step 2. Divide each rectangle into 5 equal parts, or fifths. Step 3. Circle groups of 4/5. First 4/5. Second 4/5. Third group of 4/5. Fourth group of 4/5. We have 5 groups of 4/5 in total. Another example. 5 divided by 3/4. How many groups of 3/4 are in 5? Draw 5 whole circles. Circle groups of 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, and 6th. There are 6 groups of 3/4 and 2 remainders. Step 5. Count the remainder and write it as a numerator and use the numerator of the divisor as the denominator. 5 divided by 3/4 is equal to 6 2/3. Congratulations! You did a great job! See you next time!